Hello friends! It's the 50th take on this. Let's hope I get it right this time. Something different today. Because I have such a backlog of videos right now, it's significant. I've got the hike up Mount June, which has some really cool drone footage. I've got the drive up Roman Nose. It's fun to say up Roman Nose. It's a mountain. And then Smith River with the waterfall. Great footage for all of that. I've got some Tacoma install stuff. I've got one of those solar heat shower things where you get to see topless me. That's been sitting in the hopper since last summer. I've got the 9-month ordeal with my Jeep, which you can't see, but it's right over there. Getting that back on the road. It's not currently on the road, but it's because it's raining. It's not because it's not running. So anyway, because of all this backlog, I'm swamped. But I wanted to get something up, and so if you follow my Instagram, you'll see that me and a bunch of friends tried to do Route 6 last weekend. Route 6 of the Oregon Discovery Outback Trail. I'll put it right here, whatever the hell it is. Anyway, we went out to do that, and day 2 we ran into snow in June and couldn't go any further. So that was that didn't happen, but we did get some other footage on there. We did do some more stuff. I got a bunch of drone footage from that too. Beautiful lakes up there. But what I did get is the first 45 minutes. There's an off-road trail where you go from Crescent Lake to Summit Lake, and I figured, what happens if I just throw that whole thing, just the dash cam footage, put the whole thing up there, and just sit down and you can watch it. And I thought that might be beneficial because I've never seen a video up there like that. So that's what I've done. Let's see if I have any other notes here. Round 6. Yeah, there's only one cut, and that's when I left the truck to go talk to Maddie for a while. And the truck didn't move, so there's no real off-roading in this. And I kept the time thing on there, so you can still see how much time passed. But anyway, that's what this is. Whatever. Okay, I'm doing a new thing here where I am trying to do a over-the-top thing. Anyway, we'll see. So this is Oregon. This is where I live, and this is Eugene, right there. And we drove over to Crescent Lake. And this video we show you the drive between Crescent Lake and the Summit Lake. So this route here. That is 6 miles. It took about 45 minutes. Let's do the satellite view. Ooh. Over here, it was sunny and warm. Over here, it was freezing cold. Well, not freezing cold. It was 45, but there was snow all over the ground. So, enjoy.
Neat.
I think I want to air it down now. What do you think?
I think don't be such a pussy.
Alright.
Are you even going to put it in 4-wheel drive?
Not until I need to, or too late for me to need to. Ooh, it gets a little bit squirrely up here. I might have to put it in 4-wheel drive, actually. I think I'm going to text Pat, you should take the long way. Oh, never mind, I don't have any reception anymore.
I think he'd already consigned himself to the long way anyway. fun driving off-road was.
Whee!
Now, did you remember to shut off your safe driving app on your phone?
I don't understand the words that are coming out of your mouth.
Did you remember to shut off your safe driving app on your phone? Jake from State Farm would like a word with you.
DJ has his antenna on. He should be able to hear us at some point. Oh, coming up on someone. Well, the good thing is that it's got to be pretty dry because there's no puddles in here almost at all.
It looks great up through here.
It's like firewood shouldn't be an issue.
And then it dawned on me, did you shut off your traction control? I didn't shut off mine.
The only thing I did is put on four-wheel drive. I think it's the only thing I really need to do. This isn't terribly difficult.
I wonder if this entire bit of trail is difficult because of that burden of entry getting in.
It looks pretty bad coming up on it. I mean, it's bouncy, but that's about the extent of it.
Yeah, this is nothing compared to the dunes.
Dunes are softer though. Actually, we could have camped right back there. There's all sorts of places we can go camping here.
And the real question is, where are we not allowed to go camping through here?
I don't see any cops. This guy's pulling over. He doesn't want any more of my foolishness.
There were puddles. You feel better now?
No, I don't want puddles. Chris Hayes is going to go through this thing in about 6 minutes. He's got that thing so tricked out for going fast on roads like this.
He does.
Ooh, we got some mud up here. I got some mud. I may have broke something. I hit that kind of hard. Careful, those holes are pretty deep. Hold up, I'm getting text from Chris A. Hey, the off-road trail is probably not where you want to take the Suburban, but Chris should be fine. So far, there's only been one bad spot. Hold up, I want to check. Looked worse than it was.
Never harm in checking. You got a copy?
Copy. Where are you guys at?
Twisting up our way on some mountain road, I guess, huh?
Did you hear back from him? I only heard him the first time.
He asked where we were at.
I asked where we were at.
Who knows?
All right, onward.
Revan, you got a copy?
Yes, I've got a copy. Where the hell are you?
The dudes are going to catch up with us any second now.
The speeds he goes, yeah. Go way right.
Revan, you got a copy?
I can hear you. Apparently you can't hear me. Or maybe you can hear me, I don't know.
I can't hear him.
I can hear him. He's hearing me sometimes, and sometimes he doesn't. So I don't know where the hell he is. I think he might be at the lake already. So we're almost there. Oh, I need to take a look at this. Hang on.
Just slightly, Chris. Hey. Climbing up some dirt hill, and then Nathan's going and checking something out right now, so he's away from the radio. Maddie. We're on some dirt road towards that camp? Okay, yeah, we should be there, like, in the next 5 minutes or so.
That was a good sound. I see snow.
Huh, look at that.
This way, I think. Ugh. Just hit myself in the head with my truck.
When you say the Office Road Trail, which one do you mean? When you say the Office Road Trail, which one do you mean?
the short route. Take the longer one. Take the alternative route. This is Rev, you can go.
Say again?
Keep picking up stuff. I wanted to see if it was Chris trying to get a hold of me. It sounds like Chris is stuck behind the white truck. That's my guess. Man, it's getting all cold and dark and scary out here now.
I'm not scared. You're the one that's scared.
That was DJ. Sounds like DJ.
Yeah, maybe.
I can see the lake.
I hit a link?
I said I can see what I think is the lake. Striker, you got your ears on? Striker. Okay, that's a lake. Striker, come in. Also, yes.
I think I missed my opportunity.
I assure you, you didn't. Holy crap! How am I gonna get through this? I think if we go up the top of the hill, we'll be where we're supposed to be. Okay, good. So we're almost there. You want to leave for a while? No. It's stressing me the fuck out. DJ, can you hear me? Jesus! Oof, that wasn't good. Don't go that way, I hit something good. Chris, that you? I can't make you out, man. I can't hear you. Wait, I think I see DJ. Started off okay, and then towards the end, it just got snow and mud and rock, and I hit something on the bottom. I'm hoping it was my sliders. But it's real pretty up here, but it's 45 degrees. Which isn't awesome. Oh, I turned